Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I will show you how to create this type of AI images and also apply your own face. First open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on images. Click on create. Here you can type your prompt and also paste the prompt which is given in the description. You can change the social media platform name. And also the social media page name. And now click on create. Click on images to preview. Download the image and now open remaker.ai. Click on swap faces. Upload image and now upload target face image. Click on swap. Click image to preview. Click on download. Subscribe now and thanks for watching.